Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today we're going to take a look at a beautiful 1964 Buick Riviera. Great car, guys. I bought this car down in Georgia. Bought it from a man who's owned it for some time. Love this car. Unfortunately, the first time I drove this car, the motor broke. I literally have $6,200 underneath the hood here. Had the motor pulled. It is the matching numbers 465 Wildcat engine. I had it the motor pulled. Had it completely rebuilt. $4,700 for the parts for this engine, and it's brand spanking new. These parts for these engines on these Buicks are a little tough to come by, and so unfortunately my loss is your gain. You got a brand new motor in this car, 400 automatic trans, rock solid Georgia body. This is the original color. It's Arctic white. He's put a it's a really nice interior. It's a cloth and leather interior in the car. Really nice. Like, you know, you're not standing here but it's got a real soft feel to it. And it's just a nice car. Little pitting here in the grill. There's not a whole lot you can pick on it. There's a couple little touch-up marks, but it's a recent frame-up restoration. Little stone peck there. You can see the chrome. He's replaced the bumpers. The bumpers are really nice. Again, this is the factory color was Arctic white. CC is the code. And it does have the matching numbers engine in it. You know, I probably could have got away with putting a crate engine in it, but man, I wanted the car to have the right motor in it. So it's all brand new. I've got the receipts for that. And it's got about 5 miles on the engine. I love this color combination, the white with the red. The car's got a great look to it. It's got beautiful paint. Again, good solid body. Again, you can kind of nitpick some of the trim on it. But nice car, man. Really good straight car. Again, runs and drives great. About the only thing we got left to do is kind of tweak that carb a little bit. But the car really should be ready to go. A little pitting there on your tail light bezels. Again, nice and straight down the sides. It's got all new rubber on it. Nice set of 17-inch US mags. It's got brand new Flowmaster dual exhaust on it. Good looking car. I've always loved this body style. Car's just got a good look to it. Again, it does have the matching numbers. 445 Wildcat motor in it. It's got the 400 trans in it. It's got the stock 4-barrel stock intake. He's got a set of headers on it. Power steering, power brakes. It is a factory air car. He does not have the AC hooked up. He's just not he's kind of like me. He's not an air guy, and he said he just never messed with it. Just a nice car though, guys. You can see it's all blacked out. We got some little splashes pulling it around the back, but this car is really nice. Here's nice. A-pillar's really nice. Couple little pits, but it's pretty darn nice. Door handles are original. Sorry guys, a little dirt on that. I love the red interior, and again, it's a real, I don't know how to describe it, it's a real plush, like ultra leather, and then he's got the cloth in the center, new carpet. It's the bucket seats, console. It's got a tilt column with a billet steering wheel. It's got all the factory dash on it. 73,852, that's the original miles on the car. Again, brand new Flowmaster dual exhaust, stock rear end. There's some of your components for your AC. Put that stuff in the trunk. It's all spackle painted like it should be. Really just a good looking car. Always like this body style. And the car's detailed underneath. The floors are solid. That dash is nice. I love the steering wheel. Nice car. I have Jay fired up here. Yeah, a little bit of pitting there. Car runs and drives good. It's just a good car. Fuel gauge works. It's about in there for gauges in there. Got one backup bulb out. Yeah, radio works. Stock AM radio works. Blower motor, it works. Got your blinker on too, Jeff. What we don't know is about the wipers. Oh, bingo. Oh, yeah. We just got them adjusted wrong, so we'll make sure we check them. I know that thing was just working, so we'll check that bulb. Yeah. Yeah, it's on there. Yeah. Just check it. Yeah, and make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another way to keep in touch with us is through our Facebook. Or as always, pick up the phone, give us a call, 248-620-3355. That's a pretty car. Have a great day, guys.